What's going on, Pixel Hackers? If you're watching this, that means you have subscribed to my channel. So for that, thank you so much and give yourself a pat in the back. Let's get down to it. What are the little known ways to make money online? There's plenty. You can make money online by running traffic. Do you want me to show you how to run traffic using Facebook or Google or whatever? Do you want to learn how to build a sales funnel, how to build a lead magnet where you can bring leads if you're a professional and you want to scale your business, or you want to just simply sell those leads to somebody else? I can show you how to do that. Do you want to know what softwares and that I use to scale my business and set everything to be done automatically so it frees up my time? Do you want to learn how to do that? I can teach you how to do that. Or do you simply want to know how to become a freelancer and succeed on Upwork or Fiverr or any of those sites? Or you want to know, other things that you can do on the side, like maybe you're a good photographer and you can just take great pictures and you can sell them for royalties to a site. Do you want to learn how to do that? Do you know that there's people who make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day just by naming companies online? They go to a site and they literally give people ideas to name the company. If they pick it out, they get paid for it all day long. There's so many different ways, and I want to teach you all of them. So I'm going to create all this playlist and I'm going to break it down for you. So we're going to have traffic, we're going to have software, we're going to have funnels, we're going to have automation, everything. So let me know in the comments what you want to learn and I will start creating the content for you today. Hit the like button and you're already subscribed, so I don't even know why I was going to ask you to subscribe again. Well, if you're seeing this somehow and you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Talk to you later.